vlog.
So today, we're going to say,
ano maganda? Ang talagang basher ka.
is na, anong kanta?
Ay, ano na lang, makikijamming na lang tayo. Ano?
Sige, magpa-sounds na lang tayo.
Ay, shit. Bakit? Ano na yung mga favorite party? Oh, party!
Yung titi, ganda, lapit.
Wala sa akin na talaga yun. Ay, ito. Ito na lang.
Dapat medyo malapit sa kanya. Ewan lang.
Hindi, kakanta nga tayo eh.
Hey. I drink too much and that's an issue, but I'm okay. Hey. Tell your friends it was nice to meet them, and I hope I never see them again. Don't break your heart, I'm so sorry. And I can't stop. No, I can't stop. So baby, pull me closer in the backseat of your Rover that I know you can't afford. Write the tattoo on your shoulder. Parang pangit.
Ang pangit talaga natin kumanta.
From your roommate back in Boulder, we ain't ever getting older. Yan yung ginawa natin ng sayaw.
Ginawa natin ng sayo.
Oh!
Hindi talaga.
King's Vocal na, di ba?
Hindi talaga yan yung ginawa. Ang ginawa natin
Roses?
yung, ano,
Meron talaga.
no.
Tsaka roses.
Ayun, yun yung kasabay nun.
Look as good as the day I met you. I forget just why I left you. I was insane. Stay all day when they T2 song. Down we beat to death in Tucson. Okay. You know it breaks your heart. Moved to the city in a broke down car and 4 years no calls. Now I'm looking pretty in a hotel bar and I can't stop. No, I can't stop. So baby, pull me closer in the backseat of your Rover that I know you can't afford. Like the tattoo on your shoulder. Pull the sheets right off the corner of the mattress that you stole from your roommate back in Boulder. We ain't never getting nowhere.
Tapos pag pinanood natin ito, kahit. Walang ka-upload.
Hindi mo na kamo pag tayo din.
Alam ko, nare-regalo ko sa'yo yung mga pang ganyan, no?
Pero hindi ako nakita sa TikTok, send ko na lang sa'yo.
Wow! Para dito! At ang tanong, ba't kita re-regaluhan?
Ewan ko sa
Pang Pasko?
tao.
Sa Pasko?
Yes, dapat bago mag-Boracay. Alam mo yung pwede siyang idikit kahit saan.
Oo nga eh.
Hindi tama yun yung
Ako din,
bilhin.
gusto ko din yun.
Oh,
Ba't
bilhin
di
na lang
pumili na
tayo.
lang tayong dalawa?
Mattress that you stole from your roommate back in Boulder.
Ang gusto ko pa nga yung lighting ng yung lighting.
No, we ain't never getting older. 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 We ain't never getting older. Eh, si Arcel kaya? Chat mo kaya siya, Tess? Kung kanta?
Alas 6 pa pala yun, no?
Alam sa ispa ka? Out na daw?
Alam mo, wait lang. Check natin.
Hindi pala na out.
Mga nandito.
Hey, look at me on the day I met you. I forget. Oh, I'm in a bedroom.
Sabihin ko nasa inter pa lang tayo.
Caught in a bedroom
Eh, sabi ko, traffic pa naman. Baka abutan ka namin ako.
Love, 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 I want your love.
Nag-reply ka.
Hindi ko pala memorize yan.
So, lyrics. I want your love.
Love, 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 I want your love.
You know that I want you.
You know what I want you. I'm like bad romance. I want your love and I want you to revenge you and me in a bad romance. Whoa. I want your love and I want you to revenge you and me caught in a bad romance. Oh, caught in a bad romance. Caught in a bad romance.
Hindi na daw sasabay.
Bakit?
Ay, wow, bakit? Parang may inhatid ka.
Kailangan siguro sa Friday eh. I want your love. Love, 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 I want your love.
Ay, gusto mo maghanap tayo sa YouTube ng karaoke.
Talaga naman eh. Sasabayan ako, ang hirap yan pa kaya.
Di hali mo naman yung Marlumanay na kanta kasi. Ano, Taylor Swift. Anong alam mong Taylor Swift na medyo kabisado mo?
Mga luma.
Back to December.
Nasawa na ako. Yung mga medyo
The
dark.
Romance.
I want
Medyo
your
maras.
revenge.
Taylor Swift na medyo maras.
Everydays. I want your love and I want your revenge. You and me caught in a bad romance. Whoa, 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 caught in a bad romance.
Ano?
Hello. Speak now. Paano
Ay,
speak
speak now. Sige.
now? From Mama, Gaga, ulala. Stop ko naman kasi panibago.
Ayan. Sige.
Ulala.
Tanggalin natin yun. Welcome to